You don't want to get bored learning. You want a really fun, exciting kind of teacher. So after I won Miss Pole Dance Australia, my first big project was a DVD called Rockin' Legs and Abs. It was a fitness DVD and it sold really, really, really well when it was first launched, and it still sells today, which is amazing. And then I did a second DVD, and then my third DVD was called Cleo's Rock and Pole, and that was all based on choreography and routines dance to rock music. And I always thought it would be amazing to bring this DVD into an online platform to get tutorials and videos of the routines that I was teaching in my workshops all around the world.
I'll take you through a high energy workout, combining strength, cardio, and flexibility training for you to do at home. You'll need a pole, a pair of heels, and a rockin' attitude. This is Rock and Pole.
So that's how Cleo's Rock and Pole was born. We started doing tutorials, 3 to 4 minute videos of cute little base work tricks and spin pole tricks, and we tried to cover everything, but it was always in the sexy style. And then I got pregnant, so I hired other people to come in and do tutorials. I have so many instructors that I've shot over the years. I have American instructors who I've always loved their style. I think they're unique, from Lindsay Dement, Amy Henderson, Gemma Lux, Tiffany Rose, Emily Elite, Shay Williamson. They're all my favorite instructors, and not just for their style and their technique, but their personality. And I think that's really important because you don't want to get bored learning from someone. You want a really fun, exciting, quirky kind of teacher, because it's also entertainment as well. And I have Australian pole dancers as well. I have Blue Phoenix, you know how much I love him, and Jetta Jordan. Then I have my local instructors that I've been using as well, like Mimi and Amelia and Julia, who teach for me at my Ventura studio. So when you come to the website for the first time, it can be really, really overwhelming. You don't know where to start. We actually have a drop-down menu that says Get Started, and then you've got the different levels, beginner, intermediate, and advanced. You don't need a pole to join the website. We actually have a whole category of no pole needed. We have an amazing video called Stiletto Burn that you can still wear your shoes and work out. It's a 30-minute video by Amber Wolf. I have different styles of flexibility training videos. I have Slow Burn Flex, which is more of a yoga style training video. I have Rockin' Legs and Abs, which is more my style, which is a lot of kicks and a lot of active flexibility and the strength and conditioning to rock music, of course. I also have routine videos, and I try really hard to give step-by-step instructions so you can learn it easily from home. And then I try and make the videos really artistic and beautiful, but then the tutorial videos will be lit brightly and easy to follow along. Inside hand goes behind the pole, grab with your outside hand. Scoop your left leg or your outside leg in front of the pole. I have exotic, super dirty, sexy videos. And then I have short form videos of shorter tutorials, whether it's one trick, how to get into the trick, or short little combos, base work, static, spin. I have roller pole videos, there's pole dancing and roller skates. I've got Lyra videos. I try and have so much diversity, big mix, and something for everyone.